Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to successfully log into your Udemy business account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is head on over to udemy.com. So open up a web browser and chuck in udemy.com. Once we're here, we want to go ahead and click onto the Udemy business. Just put your mouse cursor over that and then click onto where it says try Udemy business. Now this is going to send you over to business.udemy.com. Then once you're here on this page, on the far right, you're going to see a login button. So go ahead and hover over that and we can click onto login. Then you're going to get an option to click into log into on-demand learning or cohort learning. So now on-demand learning, this is a standard Udemy business platform most companies use. You can browse and start courses instantly at your own pace. With cohort learning, this is a separate Udemy product called Udemy Business Cohort Learning, powered by CorpU. Courses happen in small groupings with set start and end dates. So now depending which one you want to log into, if it's on-demand learning, click into that. Then from here, you're going to have to enter in your work email address and then click continue and your password. And now if you go with the other option, cohort learning, it's going to be the similar options are going to appear. So you're going to put in your email address and password, and it will also state, welcome to the Udemy Business Leadership Development Platform. And then once you put in your email address, password, click on to login. If for whatever reason you've forgotten your password, click on forgot password, and it's going to go through the steps of recovering your password.